Want to make your Canva website look professional with a sleek, clickable menu? In just a few simple steps, I'll show you exactly how to add one. No complicated design skills needed. First, Canva makes it super easy with the automatic navigation option. Just make sure each page of your website has a title. When you're ready to publish, click Publish Website and check the box that says Include Navigation Menu. Canva will instantly create a menu for you, linking all your pages automatically. It's fast, clean, and perfect if you want a simple setup. But what if you want a fully custom menu that matches your website's style? That's easy too. Start by designing a navigation bar on your first page using shapes and text boxes. Label each box with the name of the page you want it to link to. Then, select the text box, click the link option, and connect it to its corresponding page. Repeat this for all your menu items. Once you're done, remember to uncheck Include Navigation Menu when publishing, so only your custom menu appears. And just like that, you've got a professional, user-friendly menu that guides visitors through your website effortlessly. Whether you choose automatic or custom, adding a menu in Canva is quick and makes your site much more navigable. Try it out and watch your website instantly look more polished and organized.